In-override ne ing sangguniang panglungsod ng Siyudad San Fernando, rengadwang ordinansa, di kilking reclassification ng Gabun, na inapruban ni Mayor Vilma Caluwag. Ay ning report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Committee on Good Government has been to override the veto of the local chief executive by the resolution.
King talwing regular session ng sangguniang panlungsod ng Siyudad San Fernando, in-override ning City Council ing ena pamanaksyon o pamag-veto ng Mayor Vilma Caluwag karengadwang pesara ordinansa dikil king reclassification darengadwang mikawaning Gabun king barangay Kalulot at Panipuan ibat king agricultural land banggawang residential. Retireng SP Ordinance number 2022-004 asaklo ing 2.7 hektaryang lote king barangay Kalulot ang makapalagyo kareng misawang Antonio Florencio Carlos at Heidi Carlos. At ing SP Ordinance 2022-005 dasaklo naman ing 5 hektaryang Gabun king barangay Panipuan abandida reng misawang Mark Wihangco at Alin Marie Wihangco at Reynaldo Pingul. Pesar na lang ning City Council rengadwang ordinansa inyang August 9 pero binalik na lang Mayor Vilma Caluwag Reti king sangguniang panglungsod alang aksyon inyang September 1. Veto ing katumbas na kanuniti agpangking SP. Lalam ning batas 2/3 aboto mo ibat kareng miyembro ning SP ing kailangan bang ma-override ja ing may vitong ordinansa. Laganas naman kareng 12 konsehal ing pinabor na i-override ja ing desisyon ning babaeng alkalde.
As an ordinance reclassifying parcels of land from agricultural to residential use registered in the name of Antonio Florencio L. Carlos married to Heidi C. Carlos. An ordinance reclassifying parcels of land from agricultural to residential use registered in the names of spouses Mark M. Wihangco married to Aline Marie Wihangco and Reynaldo L. Pingol Jr. in an aggregate area of 50,356 square meters and located at Barangay Panipuan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga is approved on the first, second, and third reading. Rules are restored.
Yes,
Panalakaran ng Councilor Aizel Macalino, pamuntok ng Committee on Good Government at Majority Floor Leader na dinalan king gustong proseso ing pamagpasa karengadwang ordinansa. Pelad na la namang Macalino ring kompletong dokumento at patune na malyari lapang i-reclassify rengadwang mikawaning Gabun kontra king meging pakibat ng Caluwag king kayang sulat na linampas ne king threshold o limit ing syudad karas king pamag-reclassify kareng agricultural land.
The certification from the sole agency that should give this approval for the reclassification, which is the Department of Agriculture. Kanina, meron permit from DENR, there's clearance from DENR, clearance from NIA, clearance from DAR, and the clearance from DA. So, but the sole agency that can tell us and dictate us that pwede pa kayo. We stand firm in overriding this veto because we have the certain clearances and we have the ample evidence that we have this limit. We haven't reached our limit.
King Pepa kita comprehensive land use planning syudad atin panggabong pang-agrikultura ing malyaring i-convert o i-reclassify.
We still have a remaining 1.37% to reclassify, and that is equivalent to 29.26 hectares. Yun po ang binigay ng planning dated September 5, 2022, and ito po pagkaupo natin as the 8th sanggunian, meaning that we haven't reached our limit.
Dagdag na pa ng City Council na atsupaking 184 hektarya ing mi-reclassify as of August 2022 at mabot king migit 29 hektarya pa ing land area ang malyari pa king reclassification. Panakit ng Vice Mayor BJ Lagman, progreso para king syudad ing idulot ning mesabing reclassification ning Gabun, lakwas at mamuklat obra at kapanintunan kareng Fernandino.
As a prime city and a developing component city, ang San Fernando always is a business-friendly city, and we always harness economic activity, especially now after pandemic. Kailangan natin talagang to recover. We want to remain a business-friendly city. not just for revenue purposes, but employment, siyempre, and to sustain what we have now. So progress is part of kasali ho yan.
Iti mo naman kano'y mumunang pamikatagon na mag-veto ya ang local chief executive at mumunang pamikatagon mo naman na mag-override yung legislative body ng San Fernando.
We are acting on it po. So I hope that the executive branch will understand that we are a co-equal body, and we function our obligation as how we should act, and function on the check and balance. And
King pa mag-override ng konseho, otomatiko yang maging epektibo ing ordinansa injang alayang pirma ing alkalde. Misan yamo malyaring mag-veto ing local chief executive king meto nga partikulara ordinansa. Samantala, penikwana ning akwapasyag ning news team i Mayor Kaluwag pero hanggang inyang 5 p.m. ning September 6 alang pakibat ibat king alkalde. Makabuklat neman ing GNN TV 44 para king kampo ng Kaluwag. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.